Hello, I am Harshit Kumar Rajput, working as an article assistant in Transaction Advisory Services domain at Dewan P.N. Chopra and Company. Working in Transaction Advisory Services domain has provided me practical exposure that directly complements my CS studies. Working on complex topics such as investment in startups, business valuation through methods like DCF, comparables, NAV, and other such topics such as M&A advisory, corporate restructuring on daily basis, making the learning more engaging and effective for all the team members. This hands-on experience has provided me practical insights and significantly helped me in the preparation of advanced financial management subject. In the field of corporate law, I am able to connect what I am studying to real-world application, especially in the areas of valuation through register valuers for regulatory purposes and ESOPs. Additionally, collaborating with our tax department for valuation as per the requirements of Income Tax Act 1961 has deepened my understanding in the Indian tax laws. I am also fortunate to work alongside highly qualified professionals including CAs, MBAs, and CFAs who are willing to share their knowledge and guide me through all the difficulties. Overall, my experience here has been invaluable, providing me with practical insights and confidence to excel in my CA exams and beyond.